Hi, GC News. Mima Ovibia Akwaba. Ahadie latest and hot news in Kwana Mede. Bremo. Enuti Sewunya subscribe to the channel na. Bomodi and say obe subscribe to the channel. Dobe and say obe click the subscribe button. Now wabeli notification no. We answer new video be upload also once ebe can be. After we are now like video give us a thumbs up now feel. Shema of Frosuna will be here now and somewhere also a Ghana memoir. Afi Yembura ye and Sama Abeto ye proso. A ye KT, have a tailor, what it ye about your manifesto. A ye nano a NPP4 one for lunch, a ye one manifesto. Now a ye Boshe Bibria, what did you have to judges one by Yamagana for us ye to Abama one. The winner KT at TCA 44 so out to be on the Abibia Mutu Abama NPP4 is one about one in Yashi and Famamo. Bokai over. Aya NPP one share mo boss one BC airport BC ne you airport bia ewo aya central region sa da wana sa ba bi say one BC airport wana monto abamo ene keti amfa 44 ho ante omo ayo pasa asati te Bawumia manifesto ni mu sa do no aka na se mi bebibem waye ni na pasa na intente mara ye sembe no ye kuti aya keti se de wode aya sase nyina etuda yiti semro
Mahamudu Bawumia say endo Mikro Fantifo, Mamim Jum no one tassy. Bawumia ne manifesto aba. Or say, well, when you $2 billion be, them can offer Korea no Oriba. Bawumia but down. Bawumia said there. I think na wa when you $2 billion be offer Korea Reba. Into them can oba. The people of Cape Coast or the best airport ama one. Bawumia one day way Jim. The NPP. Oh, Fantifo there, Fantifo Jim. What now be mun film watching?
You are watching
2019 we be catch one day. One talk about my one. Now what talk about? I feel grandpa ba. We be airport ama one. When you want time finan. Right now waka in bosume basa. Now where you want to see, where you want to see egwa. Mahamudu Bawumia said there. Oh, want to mam. I want Fantifo the way Jim. Attorney General catch there. Jakwa say, Fantifo de omo Jimmy. They omono, we can buy them easily. They are not smart. That is what they believe in. Attorney General Godfrey to me catch the Jakwa say, Fantifo de so omo Jimmy. Omo nyina ne omo hemfo. We can buy them easily. Inti amfa ato force in court. And anything about Bawumia enya that charisma and that vigor to come tell you say sia de wenya 2 billion wo Korea. Waso akobo besia na Bawumia nko atu kobo besia Korea ba. Or sim Fantifo, the see there airport no, Samotuma or the 2 billion biba, Yatiana Quakers or Makonya, Sino Hydro deal $2 billion. Omo the Baba and the bauxite, Etia, Umuskano. Yantiania say, Bawumia kwaji 16 billion jackpot, or Safma for Nanosa Dabu ano. Or Bekache say, Bawumia has hit a jackpot of $16 million in China. Yatia, Ankure, Yehu Bako, Sasikan Yehu Ankure. And the aka 2 months, ne akotwaba also wenya $2 billion or the besia potama Fantifo. Now, Bawumia, at the end of the day, the na okonya 2 billion. When the man is at 2 billion now say, in Fantifo Jiminti, and Tumano, ya Tumani we are. Or Tumani we are catch one day, not or joke. Bawumia, yan Fantifo, ye Jim Kakrenti. See a cost a lie them punching. Now yet to my NPP. Bawumia be catch one day. Oh, no, or a joke keke. Why could be that? You can see Bawumia mumba tuama newie obawe catch him so oh I don't know the issue is or joke or you concert and anything Attorney General Godfrey Damika and Fantifo do Jimmy if Fantifo they only cheap just go there and give them 1 Ghana 2 Ghana or mumba tuama anything about Bawumia say this is the biggest insult Bawumia be Jina Fantifo Mr. S, do you have the video? My people of Cape Coast they are not catch them my man yi Bawumia video ni chiremo. And then they also when to me and wakonya 2 billion. Mubuta 2 billion konya also nya Korea. My people, the people of Cape Coast, me share video na ba chiremo. Bawumia ne Akufo Addo omumbu Ghana for. People of Cape Coast, mu video na me share amamo no. They be me catch them Fantifo say, mama NPP for with tribal bigots with chance they will insult you every single day. And that's what they are doing.
Railways and ports. And for the people of Cape Coast, I have good news for you.
We are building a new harbor in Cape Coast and a new airport in Cape
News
Coast.
on YouTube. Hot news
Mamenka
all time.
asabunchro.
You
Besa
are
bo video
watching
no.
Juicy News on YouTube.
Bawumia kasa no.
Hot news all time.
Wanka say, the people of Cape Coast, I have good news for you. And Wanka say, we are going to build. Oh, see, as some kind or see, we are building. I want fancy phone also what's brofo. I want na what from Blankson, what from Taylor, what from Greenson, what from Robertson. I want na what's brofo. Present continuous, present past, future present, future past. Bawumia, when he was speaking, I said, the people of Cape Coast, I have good news for you. We are building. So because we are building, it means, oh yeah, Jumano. He did not say we are going to build. Or see, we are building, meaning he knew he had all the facts to say, almost 30 airport, no. One day, Bawumia is a critical liar. Because will be a critical liar. Obo ni ba kuno chatro bako. Obo ni ba kuno asrikakra. Omune from critical liars. Bawumia is a born chronic liar, pathological liar. He can look in your face, acting as if he's foolish, and he'll be killing you. I say the people of Cape Coast, I have good news for you. We are building. One can say we are going to build. Oh, this is 4 years ago. Entire day and the other catcher must say, I find wakonya loan. Listen to Bawumia very well.
Railways and ports. And for the people of Cape Coast, I have good news for you. We are building a new harbor in Cape Coast and a new airport in Cape Coast. People of Cape Coast, I have good news for you. We are building a new harbor in Cape Coast and a new airport in Cape Coast. It is very critical that we do that. An airport makes a lot of sense in Cape Coast. It's a real tourist hub, and between Greater Accra, Kumasi, and Cape Coast, you have a triangle that really is a lot of hub of economic activity. You can build railway lines between them, and it's a major growth pool if we put an airport here to drive infrastructure growth. Of course, we are going to continue to construct the people of Cape Coast. I have good news for you. We are building a new harbor in Cape Coast and a new airport in Cape Coast. It is very critical that we do that. An airport makes a lot of sense in Cape Coast. It's a real tourist hub, and between
It clearly you can see say our manifesto no, it's a replica of what they did. It's a lie. Cape Coast full. I'm being very generous tonight. Every single thing about Bawumia Kananadwi or in Ghana or manifest is a lie. Don't believe him. Obejina mfantifo meankasa me nana Kweku Annan catch and say he's building. Ebe seen there's no land. And there was about 2024. Oh, akwaji 2 billion wo Korea. Were you there? I wasn't there. Have you seen any 2 billion? Because Godfrey Dame, any NPP for the Jubilee House, I'm saying Fantifo de Jimmy. Anything Godfrey Dame, every time he gets the opportunity, he tells people, Infantifo Jimmy. And that is something they have been using a long time. It's more Fantifo, you two for a month, NPP for Jimmy, they use you people for power. They always use Fantes and Northerners for power. That is what they do. Sa pathway, they always use Northerners and they always use the Infantes for power. And the election is coming. Into bones almost started radio, so NPP communicators know. Oh, the central region is a swing region. Oh, iron, yeah, swing region. The central region is the stronghold of the NDC. Since say be NDC as a political party 1992, ever seen there. There's never been a day on our election. Fantini say either flag bearer or running mate. Never. You are still calling yourself, say, you are a swing state unless you are foolish. And anything at NPP for, they don't do anything for us. And anything about Central Regional, NDC in Kwana ABB, because Oma Mama say, more swing state. Sa swing region, I didn't mamu. Because catch and say Ashanti region, a swing regional, or because the Abi, Ashanti regional, NPP there, ya Asante 4 party. Now then, another political party Eyi Infantini from 1992 be seen there. Now mo dan to work as a moye swing region. Mo Jimmy. Me Infantini me Jimmy yo. O ma dada mo. O metna radio so Infantifo Central region is a swing region. It is not. Central region should and must be an NDC stronghold. I was 90% of the vote from the Central region come NDC. Because the NPP from day one, they have never respected Monfantifo. They see people as foolish. The Beno Infantini is only the NPP da. When did you ever hear a Fanti lead the NPP? They see you people as jokers and foolish people. Me Infantini, and I know what these people, how they see us. The Ben NPP, Ako Congress, Ako Conference, was then Aka Infantini way, the bigger position. Have you ever heard Infantini way be running mate? They have never done that before because Omu say you don't belong to this party. Omu Fantifo say Jimmy. And see, a central region is never a swing region. The central region is an in and out Infantifo region. NDC4, I was say a stronghold for the NDC. Bawumia manifesto so. Why should Fantes even vote for the NPP? M1% Fantini because I saw to about my NPP. Then I want to about my NPP. What is going to so I want to ask a simple Infantifo then I'm to about my NPP. Then NPP passing say TMPP. Or my yaman Fantifo, just tell me. Oko Central Regional. A dear pan NPP ayo. NPP near Kwan was Central Region. NPP in school was Central Region. NPP in C hospital. Interbet near that they roll in some see NPP near Bibiam and Fantifo. Inter na ubit TV so Eka say Central Region is a swing region. Actually with Jimmy. Actually mo be dada or edge to me through sim. No, I can't just say we are swing region or we are not conquering.
News on YouTube. Hot
That
news
dinner,
all time.
NPP or Central
Juicy
Region
news on YouTube.
every
Hot news
single
all
thing
time.
our Central Region Edisi Keba di Pansema and this it's a fact. Ye Jimmy Dodo. Ya man kwasiafo ada ye tide bia net radio ho ne age graphic. Hey, waka brofo yente brofo. Omo tinkranka brofo tikep kosu ne adwuma ye ejim. Hey, Ayenze, what's the day? Swing regional. Ayenze, the NDC is coming to launch their manifesto in the Central Region. Between Volta and Central, these two regions are the strongest hold of the NDC. Volta and Central. Carry NDC. But every time you are Fantifo Yembi, ye Jiminti, yes, ye swing region. Go there and see Ohia. Kosho Ohia Gu Fantimemu. Unipa, of your former bar, I say Kotre. Na yera ho ton kwase aba adan a ayenze ye swing region. Swing region, what have you benefited from it? Eden na wenya a swing region. Momienko enim. We Bawumia asaka asefofro or say Bawumia say we will offer incentives for teachers to buy one vehicle each with engine capacity of up to 1.800 cc. Bawumia on manifesto and they will say, oh, teacher for what I said, your Mahama be catch the Ghana for say the new NDC, they have a special plan for teachers. And John Mahama can say, so a teacher ni, we police ni, or ya aban juma, you to me transfer okoto wale, you to me transfer okoto bamboy, you to me transfer okoto takrade, you to me okobwase. Ubet me juma 30 years. Kuntu enyoya ne chineko inti John Mahama can say. Or say, only Professor Nano Opoku Addo say adwene ho no. Omwe say, enya fair say teacher ni ebeye juma. Mrs. Yes, thank you. So let me put this here. Na mencho sibia Bawumia area John Mahama policies. So this is what John Mahama said. Mrs. Thank you very much. And this was said in 2023. NPP manifesto no. They just went to steal John Mahama's ideas now. And they don't have anything. No. This is what John Mahama said in 2023. Or say, John Mahama pledges affordable housing for teachers in 2024 election bid. Okay, same way 2023. Former President John Dramani Mahama, flag bearer of the new National Democratic Congress, has pledged to tackle the housing struggle of teachers by building affordable homes if elected in the 2024 elections. See, John Mahama can say, Ghana for Tumana, Ubo teacher Jumana 30 years. They are not going to Sunyane, they are not going to Tafo, they are not going to Tamale. Sa teacher in the Ebia of Yasankrewa. Ehona ne mawo, ehona onyini ye, ehona opese oye teacher Juma nyina okotena. And John Mahama say this about power, they are going to solve this problem easily. Edanya yebe sini nyina won kan. Yakosi nyina otakrade. Yebe busa o teacher ni say sia no, o senate na wutua no, aban affordable housing no, ehin na yensi wo de ma wo. Also mifra yeldo. Sia me call retirement ayeldo na me kotena. Enti monko ayeldo. Now munko si eye be retirement home wo mame. Enti teacher ni na police ni na ote edien eye sunyane no. A ofri eye bole bamboy no. Onne ebeka kire aban se me retirement no sa homes na mu besi no munko si me de ewo me krom every say kuntu enwan ya de chi na ko. Enti me ko retirement a me ne membere ne memba ye tam ye nwoma na makotina me krom me dan si wo. John Mahama said that is what he wants to do. Sa idea of bibia ne akosi ne tema ne esi ne nkran ne esi ne kuma so se atwam every say nipa dodo am retire from teaching, am retire from police, from the military no am they want to go home baby am free no beso am ko. Into John Mahama 2023 no kan say NDC ba power. The strategy is simple. Ye ba be den ye bebusa eye aban dwumafo Outia was Senate or contribution, a buying HC Sadan, you go and pick a form, you tell them I'm contributing my Senate. This is where I want my retirement home be built. Into so free tama or free bequire near Eda municipal ho near passers near Sudanese Wama. Into retire pet was a sound your man or krumu. This is what we call thinking. You are thinking about Nipana or ye Jumano. And the Bawumia to me and copy with the same intelligence, no. And intina and the Bawumia manifesto no, omuko or say. On the oba and say, or Baba talk my teacher for we momo Jimmy. Messi we mo omuni message. Omuhu Ghana for say Jimmy. Oh, Adwina Jo Mahama Diaba is the simplest and the best. And we a teacher, and we a police, and this is what you want. Obia beso sit down with the chrome. Or return or chrome. John Mahama say that is simple. And when I say I could form what baby go Sudan, it will even help to expand the country. Bawumia so on the person you didn't say or Bible talk as some teachers yet to chrome and Bawumia cast as some which day. Nentia and Bawumia catcher say Okada trot taxi drivers can swap old cars, bikes for new cars. 2019. 2020 ekoto aba osi okada for edien trot for obi ambeji ka mono me no tie kuraba ye ma obi akuraba and the obeso that teacher for after or go through what we call essential exams or did deny so many of them after going through training college to get jobs no or sabe that because who's a teacher for ejimi na adwini mu no I keep telling you say Bawumia NPP omudwe say Ghana for nyina ejimi o promise Okada for VW or promise taxi drivers. Ya to abani we are saying kwasiafo. Samia wuku kromfo ya na kogina cycle. Egada Okada for say ai. Mo amunim ya ba and Samia wuku wenye sika say bem. Mabusa na questions with documents. He needs to respond. Samia wuku is a criminal and he needs to respond to those documents because I have 5 more. And okogina cycle kaka kire Okada for say ai Bawumia so bema mu nyina mo ka. Enti am ka kire Okada for say mo chi na nkoso mo bono. Samia Wuku and I destroy my life. John Mahama person streamline it. Samia Wuku akojira circle na John Mahama ne NDC for see no. Didi John Mahama atem. Say twantro ekire Okada for the taxi drivers say Bawumia say or ba be mamo cars and the Bawumia sa ba. Cars na amba and the wadane no ho or say obema teacher for the cars. Engine capacity 1.8. Laptops keke or G teacher for sika for 4 years on for laptop ne maomo. This guy I bet your manifesto catch him say obeto car ma laptop ba obi ntuma ntwa ma o ba beto car ma ye dwudwam ochina mo ba ye di nkan kan nyina wie ni nyina na we de to ama mo ochina ma mo ntie o mo nka no kore o makoji sika anadwi kojo opon kroma Samia Wuku mo sika 20,000 50,000 30,000 mo ko buso o ma hene komna sante ye mo obi sika anadwi o mo age ochina betan wa so mo bodam Bawumia de we de obetuma sesa Ghana o mo boa omu di mu ye business radio for no ochina majority of them omu jisika omu be finish mo Bawumia manifesto say obeto cars ama teachers mon kan jen say laptops 4 years ontumi wasa the teachers for sika ontumi to laptop obi ntumi to laptop so betuma to car wabodam yenko enim Bawumia kasabiem Bawumia say manifesto na mejidwom no ono ananum asem memetia menkoka say manka asem nhwe obia no de Bawumia kan nde ne manifesto na make sure say ni nyina ya tro de o say ye boa na o kina oba ono so medwum say ye boa. Now Bawumia say we will expand the gold for oil program to stabilize the price of fuel. Bawumia say gold for oil no the buy no. Omu be biem send a beya petrol bo be kofom. Bawumia the gold for oil buy ya na petrol bo cost. Wontumi teso. Time about Bawumia the gold for oil but that petrol 11. Now a liter was 11 cedis. Sorry, now the dollar was at 11 cedis. $1 was 11 cedis. Time I all introduce gold for oil. And the dollar is at 16. Sako catch on say gold for oil no. Ebema dollar number for ntimun oba and the obe biem ema edien petrol boako for. Bawumia catch say adikudintia all introduce gold for oil no say ebema petrol boaba from. Enyo no catch eden and the petrol 14 to 15. Time about Bawumia introduce gold for oil. Na petrol boa endru 14 a liter. Entire day na we introduce gold for oil. Gold for oil ne buy no. Petrol no esra na eko. Adentina wo ka kire say, "Yeah, ma be president. Now be expanding my petrol akofom." The question here is, when you introduced it, it's been over 4 years now, almost close to 3 years. Has it dropped the price of fuel? This is Bawumia, and me will be until say aka smashana no onye.
ABC. Today we've implemented a new policy that the public and the country will see its benefit in the next few months. Gold for oil. And that is going to reduce the demand at the Bank of Ghana for foreign exchange and bring down the fuel prices. You have already seen the fuel prices coming down. Will see its benefit in the next few months. Gold for oil. And that is going to reduce the demand at the Bank of Ghana for foreign exchange and bring down the fuel prices. You have already seen the fuel prices coming down. These are new ideas, transformational ideas.
The fuel price went down. Petrol now come from. Into that thing you introduced is a foolish idea. It didn't benefit anybody. So why are you telling us say, yeah, Wontumi na expanding? We are expanding to benefit who? Because Uncle said now to me catch say we introduce gold for oil no DNAC petrol atiaba 8 ni akasa ampa uniminyansa. But this is the situation. We now catch say adikudintia we introduce gold for oil no say we petrol boaba for me no kase petrol boa kosro echen even before. So why should any Ghana ni uniminyansa say onkoto abama? Into the manifesto be say Ghana for we na kire say me say ade na me kire mo the manifesto eye dey adwenkyere eye opinion. There's nothing manifesto-ish about what they showed you today. It is not a manifesto. It is never a manifesto. Only my dear friend manifesto. Only my dear friend policy. Also be see daycare and then their policy. And the Bawumia policy, Bawumia both solutions. No daycare and the best of $1 problem. Bawumia both solutions, no, or the gold for oil no, they buy na anti-petrol no, and then they both solution no. Bawumia onyansa no or betoka ama teacher for and then ebe solve Ghana problem no. Is this the bold solution? These are all bold opinions. Every fool has an opinion, and this is what you people shared today. You shared your opinions because the things you were saying have not had any impact on us for us to give you another nod. Gold for oil no results, it's clear. It didn't do anything. And the petrol esra neko into Aden Osaka say you will expand gold for oil. The gold for oil policy only benefited Bawumia. You are one of the most criminal politicians that you do Canada. Obdi bone no the shenko for no teach or the idea ba no ama alolo any sa criminals no any DNM. Bawumia is a corrupt guy, one greedy corrupt guy. Gold for oil was Bawumia's own deal. We have billions from gold for oil because it was created for elections. Yet Tiana Bank of Ghana catcher say the gold for oil policy they don't want to continue again. Dientina Bank of Ghana say they don't want to continue gold for oil policy. And the mother doom so the whole Ghana. Metia or say and they will say I or the obey or yetumana obey petrol and gas if you or kofa solar ba akwa we onye stable. I did not kind of there's no policy in Bawumia statement today. Ni opinions. Your opinion inti fango ne etu no kroma no yetua ne dia son ne anom ne akoda. This guy has no plan. And you see all the opinions he has because NPP the majority are moose, they are daft, they are dumb. Inti omu say, "Oh, where your policy?" NPP for jiminti na de bia enkwasi asem obibeke bia policy. This is never a policy. How is this benefiting the people? Weigh a opinion, and every fool has an opinion. Mommy and back kakra. Now you're dealing with this because we just talked about it. Me show the video evidence of what John Mahama said. Thank you very much, team. Yeah, ma Bibia and Slidey because NPP for Jimmy. We were talking about a teacher for us about Mahama or Kan how he was going to make sure say a teacher for police for obi a retirement. You see what I am. You be seen obi a wow per se omusi. This is John Mahama.
Second of all, to mamia extra exam no much on your bedroom. Your Bayer licensing regime part of their completion of College of Education. Afe so oka efa rent na rent enye teacher for kwa ejuma nyina ekuafo nyina ka ho wo hwe Ghana for na wo hwe adia eye ohaw eda ye so pa ene ye ni ye fiura for wo ko haidan a ye say 2 years advance na 2 years advance so waketu an so sa enti already wo hwe teacher for ne enkonko ne bia omo housing schemes a omo de boa omo members etimi esi omadan na ne America ne say ye be hyemu kina aban ene mukuo no te say Ghana National Association of Teachers aban ene nagrat aban ne san konko no ye de ye hondi nyina ebebom sene be ya wo ye teacher ni ana wo ye nurse ni ana wo ye ojuma nipa wo ye ejuma I just say wo be ye enfie America ne say 20 years eda wenim no ye betimi aboa onu esidan na debia bosombia yetua oka ne ate okakra ne ate okakra ne ate okakra ne ate okakra ebedu se obekọ retirement no na odan esi ho enya afi na obekọ ebusuafie na woni omokọ ntokwa se yempe bebi ma onkotre na ozo kotre enti mo housing schemes amo wono aban enso de ne dwetire ene na ho de beba beka ho sene be ya obia ebetimi a plan se ukrom na opese yesi mawa 2 bedroom toilet kitchen bathroom na esi no ho oba retirement no abewura wadem enti eno so ye ade a ye manifesto na housing ade a ye behwe huye make housing na make affordable housing enye housing bia ye be buy $50,000 ubetia CD airco na dollar sujani CD airco na dollar sujani untie nwie da it is our housing scheme no it will be in cedis and yet dollars it will be in cedis and the interest rate no
better. This is how you plan a nation. You get everybody in a position where they will feel comfortable. Into a teacher or a police or a soldier or him say Sasika Otia in cities towards a house no wakoche abain bibia yensi dynamano. That is what we call you being proactive, you being intelligent, you being somebody who is a visionary. You are thinking ahead. You are trying to create opportunities. That's governance.
You're waiting for winning and somewhere here KT attitude NPP one launch one manifesto a year Bosha who I wanted to say and a photo Obama one beggar. I don't like KT a fire manifesto would you give NYM manifesto passa to be the money a year Bawumia now what they and some to go on our because this is so and I will have since I had the latest and hot news in Panama de bro tipo more than subscribe to the channel no we are not feel like a video na fe share my offer for so na when you be here na wo hu and some episode e wo Ghana memo no wo so betimi a share what you fire and some we nyina ho e wo comment box ni wo beti me in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.